denied a bank account? In this series of the 25-part credit repair hacks, I am exposing how to clear up if you were denied for a bank account. My name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott. If you haven't by now, or if you are new here, make sure that you have subscribed to the channel. Give me a huge thumbs up. I'm going to be giving you the game on what you need to do if you were recently a victim of being denied for a bank account. Yes, victim. Now, if you are a victim of Chime, you have to bank with Chime because there's no other options. This is what you guys need to do, my friends. Request a copy of your ChexSystems report. Request a copy of your early warning report. This is ChexSystems. This is early warning. You're going to request your consumer report. You're going to see who is reporting a balance. If it's a low balance or it's like, oh yeah, I might owe that, walk into the branch with your report and sit down with a personal banker. See if they're able to waive any of the fees for you, but ultimately you're going to have to just pay what they say you owe or whatever they're willing to settle with you. Once that account is updated to 0, that's no longer going to get you denied for banks. You're probably going to have to start off with some second chance banks like Chase, Golden One Credit Union, even Navy Federal. Well, Navy Federal is actually an early warning bank. So if you have been denied from a bank with ChexSystems, or you have a lot of bad stuff on ChexSystems, you can see what you have on early warning and try to get with a bank that's only going to use early warning like Navy Federal. Now, ultimately, once you have these reports, you're going to go through them with a fine-tooth comb and see what is affecting you in a negative manner. Now, any bank that is reporting that you owe them a balance, again, this is all from checking accounts, savings account, banking accounts. And a lot of times when you close out accounts, it's just a lot of fees that eventually add up and then get reported over to either ChexSystems or early warning, or sometimes both. But once you get those cleared up, that's no longer going to be holding you back from opening a bank account. It's really that easy. But of course, for those of you that still need additional help or want someone to do it for you, I'm here. You can book a call. We can go over what the course of action would be for you. The only thing that you need to do in advance is request a copy of your reports. And if you have this guide, I'll give you the exact links, or you could just head over to Early Warning's website and ChexSystems website and request your consumer report. Now, you can dispute information with them just like you can with the 3 major credit bureaus. They all are under the Fair Credit Reporting Act. So therefore, if you see errors or you see fraud information on your reports, you can dispute it with them just like you would with Experian, Equifax, or TransUnion. Same thing that we've talked about in some of these other parts: identity theft, FTC report, police report, notarized. Send that to ChexSystems, send that to early warning, and also send that to the folks that are reporting this alleged account to ChexSystems. So again, same concept as the credit bureaus. I hope that helped. Make sure to share this with a friend who has Chime, because we want to unchime you in 2025. It is time to level up, because if you knew better, you would do better. And that's why I am here. Subscribe. Thank you. Most importantly, take action. I'll see you next time.